And the moment we've been waiting for has just arrived. I'm so excited, and I'm with Edward, our tour guide for the day. Where are we going, and how long will it take?
We are going to visit a gorilla group called Kuryama. Our hike is going to take in between 1.5 to 2.5 hours to reach the gorillas, and then we'll visit a gorilla 1 hour, and then we come back.
I look forward to seeing the gorillas. It's my first time, so I'm super hyped, and I hope they're as I hear people talk about. I'm ready.
You're ready for this?
Yes.
Yeah. Chief.
Yes.
You look tired already?
I'm not tired. I'm geared up for today. We're going to visit the group called Kuryama. I'm so ready. I want to see how do these gorillas live. We expect to see them like this.
Yeah.
Welcome visitors, welcome. Welcome visitors, welcome. Welcome visitors, welcome. Oh, welcome visitors, welcome. Virunga, Virunga, Kaisim,
We are over 2 hours into our journey to the Volcanoes National Park. I'm really panting and sweating. It's extremely tiresome, but worth it. We're told we are 1.5 hours away. Yeah, we won't give up. Follow this. We are in the mist. As you can see, the beautiful gorilla is actually enjoying his lunch. They are so gracious, very gracious, very gracious. And you can see it's literally not a meter away. We are just a meter away from the gorillas. They are lovely. They are enjoying their peace. All they can do is to enjoy their food here. And we have our tour guide here to explain to us the moment we're in right now.
In front of us, this is the silverback called Kuryama. He's having 5 females in this group, and as you can see, there's behind a small baby who is only 1.5 years. This national park is the only place where you can find mountain gorillas. And mountain gorillas, as you know, they are unique to the Virunga Massif. When we talk about Virunga Massif, it's Congo, Uganda, and Rwanda. But most of the gorillas, they are here in Rwanda, because here we have 20 groups of gorillas. In Congo, they have 6. In Uganda, they only have 1.
We're just a meter away from the gorilla here. How should a tourist behave?
Yeah, if you don't mind, please all move back.
So we've been asked to move back a little bit
are moving towards us.
because yes, you heard that they are moving towards us, but they're not aggressive. You need to really note that.
That's okay.
They are not aggressive. We just need to give them their peace, and it's quite amazing. Before coming here, I was a bit nervous. I should tell you this, but the moment a black buck walked right an inch across my feet, I was like, whoa. And you can see it's right close, and it's an amazing experience. Alan, the photographer, we have a photographer right here.
Yeah.
He's a few meters away from the gorilla. How does this feel?
Well, this is a once in a lifetime experience. Hiked for 4 hours. Some of us are sweating, some of us are tired, but it's worth it. It's worth it.
Wow. How has been the experience?
I mean, the journey was so challenging, but now I'm so happy that I get to get close to the gorillas.
And take selfies as well, yeah?
Of course, yes.
I never thought the gorillas were too big like this, but they are giants. And it's the most beautiful experience I've ever had.
It's really worth it. Like when you see them, you even forget about like how tired you are.
Aren't you nervous?
I'm not. I was nervous when it passed like here, but then I'm not nervous.